come from Mandarin Pi. Remember, my name is Christina. Okay, today let's go on. Popular daily phrase. First, I want to know, now the young people always worship a star. Me too. I'm very young. And I worship a very beautiful, famous woman, Fan Bingbing, if you know. I think you must know. Okay, one day my friend told me she will appear in a film, very famous, Iron Man 3. So I felt very happy. I bought a ticket, go to the cinema. But after film, I felt very disappointed. Why? She just appeared like just 3 seconds and even didn't have one word. So I said she just 打酱油, 打酱油. Now you must know what's meaning. So let's see this word. 酱油, 酱油, 酱油. This one, soy sauce, 酱油. So 打酱油 just means buy some soy sauce. Buy some soy sauce. Okay. Why we have this word? Because one day, host asked a man what was his opinion. The man said, 我是来打酱油的. What's the meaning? He said, it's now my business. I just come to buy some soy sauce. So now we use this word, 打酱油. Very famous, 打酱油. Stand by. I just stand by. So because we have this word, so now we have a party. 党, we have party. 酱油党, they worship 打酱油. For some things, they just want to stand by. They don't want to say any words. So we say them 酱油党. Okay. Also this sentence, 我只是个打酱油的. 打酱油. I'm only the man who want to go to buy some soy sauce. I am just a standby. I don't want to say any words. 打酱油. Do you remember this word now? Okay, thank you very much. I'm your Chinese teacher, Christina. See you next time.